Hello, and welcome to my channel. You matter. Oops, that's Master Lucas waking up. I literally just put him down, y'all. I've been filming these clothes like forever, and I just put him down, and he is up again. Could y'all believe it? But hey, welcome. I'm glad to have you here with me. So let's dive right in because Master Lucas will not allow me to be here too long. So let's dive right into the video. Today we are talking about forgiveness. Forgiveness is our word of the month. For the month of March, our word is forgiveness. So let's dive right in because I have to do this real quick. So what is forgiveness, you may ask? In my opinion, forgiveness is letting go. Letting go of the person that has hurt you. You may be hearing this and you're saying, okay, it's not that easy. Maybe not. It may not be easy, but is it doable? Yes, it is. It's doable. Now, forgiveness for me. Forgiveness, you have to make. It's a decision that you have to make. It's a decision that you have to make. When you decide to let go of the person that has hurt you, you are healing yourself. You are freeing yourself. Like my pastor wife, Sister Judy, would always teach us. When you don't forgive, you put yourself in this mental cage. You imprison yourself, basically. You imprison yourself, and when you imprison yourself, when you imprison yourself, you become this miserable person because you're not free. So you become this miserable person. You become this angry person, and you wonder why you are that way. And it's simply because you're not forgiven. That's one of the contributing factors to miserable life when you don't forgive. So, is forgiveness easy? No, but it's doable. And it may take time for you, but with practice, the more you do it, the easier it becomes. And so I just want to encourage you to forgive. Why? Because when you forgive, you are free, you are happier, you are healthier when you forgive, believe it or not. You become a healthier person, you become a happier person, and you don't give people power over you. Do you know that when you don't forgive, you're giving the person a lot of power over you? You are when you don't forgive. And why would you want to give that power to someone? I know I wouldn't want to give that power to someone. So I want to encourage you to forgive. Someone might have done something to you so badly that it hurts so bad, and you just can't get over it. But you not forgiving them is not going to make the situation any better. In all honesty, you not letting it go is not making the situation any better. It's just hurting you. And a lot of times when persons hurt us, they go about their business, and you remain right there, being angry, being miserable, while they out there living their life and enjoying themselves. And so who's hurting in reality? You. So I want to encourage you to forgive, let it go, and who knows the good that can come out of that. A lot of times things happen to us so that we can learn from it. What I'm trying to say is, it may be a lesson because whatever the person may have done to you that has hurt you, you will do everything in your power not to do it to someone else. It may be another lesson in it, who knows, but let's try to see the good, find the good in every situation. So I just want to encourage you to, let it go. It's not going to be easy. I'm not saying it's going to be easy, like I said, but it is doable. It's very doable. All you have to do is make the decision. Just say it out loud. I choose to let so and so go. I forgive so and so. You don't even have to go to the person and let them know that you have forgiven them, but you decide within yourself that I am going to forgive so and so. I am going to let so and so go because when you do that, you are freeing yourself. And nobody wants to live in bondage. No one wants to live in bondage. So if you're not choosing to forgive, you're setting yourself up to be bound. And I do not want you to be bound. God says that we must forgive just as He is forgiving us. We need forgiveness from God. We've done a lot of things to hurt our Heavenly Father, and He forgives us. And if you can't forgive, I'm sorry, He's not going to forgive you. That's point blank. I don't mean to sound blunt, but you want to forgive so that He can forgive you. And it's in the Our Father prayer. So my encouragement to you is forgive. Let it go. Let it go. God will work all things together for the good. Not all things are good, but He will work all things out together for your good. So that hurt may serve a purpose. Try to find the good in it. Try to find the lesson in it. And move on. Move on. Move on. It's gonna help you. And if you find it hard to forgive, give it a try. If you are accustomed to forgiving, then I encourage you to keep doing it. You may seem like a doormat because people may hurt you and you just keep letting it go. But in reality, you're not a doormat. You're just being a blessing to yourself, and you're just trying to live that life of freedom. So, if you need to forgive, forgive. If someone has hurt you, I pray, it is my prayer that God will touch your heart and that you will be able to let that person go, because I want you to live a life of freedom. I want you to live a life of happiness. So I encourage you to forgive. Let it go. And if you made it to the end of this video, I want you to type in the comments below, I choose freedom. If you choose happiness, if you choose to forgive, that means you have chosen freedom. So I want you to write in the comments down below, I choose freedom. So that is all I have for you today, y'all. See Master Lucas, how you carrying on? So I gotta go, y'all. It was nice being here with y'all. Let it go. Let it go. See you in the next video. I love you, and I will be praying for you, whoever you may be. If you find it hard to forgive, believe me, I am praying for you. And I know that you will do it with the help of God. See you in the next video. Bye.